Create a new design with the photo you want to use. Go to Elements and select Frames. Select the shape you want to use. Resize and move the shape. Go to Uploads and upload the photo you're using. Drag the photo to the frame. Double-click on the photo in the frame to resize it. Make the photo the exact same size as the background. Select the background. Go to Edit and select Blur. Select Whole Image and adjust the intensity to your liking. If you want to adjust the blur intensity, just select the background and go to Edit and Blur. And that's how you create this effect.